Well, hello guys, and welcome here today at the Rusty Glovebox. And man, I tell you what, it's been a productive day today. We've been out here in the shop, and I did the tear down on the ground saw, got it all taken apart, got out there and started sanding it, getting it ready for paint. And although I haven't painted it today, I have pretty much got it down to where it is ready to paint. And very possible I can get that done before this weekend. We got like 50% chance of rain this weekend, so if I don't get it done before then, it may roll on into next week. But anyway, I tell you what, let me take you over here. Let's check it out and see how everything's come. Well, we got the wheels off and everything, and there's the chassis or the frame. There's I'm going to call those the axles. There's the front blade guard, and there's the handle for the front blade. There's the cover. So we've been pretty busy. Dust just flying. But that's the color of paint that the main body is going to be. I have gotten some of my bearings in. Still waiting on a sprocket and some more bearings. They're just taking a little while to get here. I still have to kind of clean that stuff up, and depending if I need to, I got a can of aerosol that I can kind of touch stuff up with. Well, here we go. We're going to put some magic chain rebuilder on there. Yeah, buddy. Just some old burnt motor oil. That ought to get the job done. I think what I am going to do, I'm going to put that outside under a pan, so in case my bucket starts leaking, I don't have this mess all over the floor. But anyway, I think that right there will really help an old chain out. A little bit of oil works wonders. And I'm going to call this our solar powered penetrating oil process here. But that ought to, if I leave it in there several days, it should soak into that chain pretty good and kind of limber it up. Well, I'm going to give you a quick little look at the piece of pipe that I have. I'm not going to tell you what it's for yet. I'm going to leave you guessing. I did dig me a 3-foot deep hole here. So anyway, we'll just leave it at that, and that'll be something for you to look at later. But anyway guys, I tell you what, I've had about all the fun I can stand for one day. That sanding is just too much excitement for me. I'm gonna have to go in and settle down after that. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.